Hello guys, welcome back to our channel here. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. I want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you again. Support our channel. So guys, we went to the farm, Newburgh, New York, to the cherry farm. I picked fresh cherry. So today I'm making a vanilla cake with the cherry, some of the sweet cherry that we picked, the fresh cherry. You can add some of that in the cake. Let me show you how the cherry look. So guys, this is the cherry, the fresh cherry. I cut it up, I take the seed out. So we can add this in the cake, the vanilla cake. So I have 2.5 cups flour here, all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of almond vanilla extract, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 sticks of butter, that is 1 cup. And I have some cinnamon. I've just and chopped inside the flour. So we can mix all it dry. First we incorporated the butter and the sugar. And then we have the egg, it's 4 eggs. Everything is room temperature, soft and nice. I have 1 cup of milk. This is what we got inside. And this is the cherry we picked. The fresh cherry we get from the farm. It was a lot more than this. This is not all. We eat out some, we share out some. So this is the fresh cherry we picked from the farm. Real nice cherry. See some of the leaf inside there still. Alright, so we got the butter inside here now. We have the cup of sugar. If you want it more sweet, you can add more sugar if you want. Put our mixer on. Guys, this is the I use it unsalted butter here. So if you use the regular salted butter, you don't have to put too much salt. So this is unsalted butter. Get nice and creamy there now. So we gotta add our egg in now. I have the egg here. I have 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3. A little more. We added a teaspoon of almond extract. Five, 6 minutes, and then we add the dry into the wet flour. I add the baking powder, the salt, and I add some cinnamon. So you can average your cinnamon with a teaspoon of cinnamon or a little more if you like cinnamon. You can add more if you want. That's what you like inside. Alright, so this is good here. Nice and smooth. So we add our flour in and then our milk. The last thing you add is the cherry. You fold the cherry in. We're not going to put it with the machine. You just fold it in with the spatula. You give it about 2 minutes more, then we take it off and add the cherry in. Alright, so that's good. We're gonna take it off of here now. I have my pan, I grease it, put some flour, move it around, take out the excess flour. So we add the cake in here now. You might have to put it in 2 pans, I don't think you're holding 1. So this will go for like, tap like this. So we can put this one in the oven. I have some more there. I'll put that in the next pan. Let's put this in the oven. So I just grease the next smaller pan because I can't hold it down. Alright, so we can put this one in the oven now. Alright, so we got both cake in the oven. We'll give it about 25-30 minutes. Should be finished. Finished, I'll take it out and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so the cake is finished. The vanilla cherry cake. I added fresh cherry from the farm. Should come out really easy because I grease it, I put in flour, take out the excess flour. So it should come out really easy. Yeah, perfect. This is some of the sour cherry pick. It's really good with salt and pepper. So this is the sour one. I just want to show you a glimpse. This is the pak choy you pick from the farm also. Fresh pak choy. It tastes real good. I didn't make no video when I cook it, but this is the fresh pak choy we pick from the farm. Alright, so we just cut the wedge here. See the cherry there? You can see the cherry inside, the fresh cherry I put in. Now guys, I just cut this one out from the pan. I still have this one, I didn't cut this one yet. Cut up this one, look how beautiful you look with the cherries. The fresh cherry, look at this, how beautiful it looks. So we'll give it a taste test. Look beautiful is the fresh cherry inside. Alright guys, so we'll give this a taste test. Perfect. Not too sweet. The cherry have a nice flavor. Fresh cherry flavor. It's different when you get it at the Liberty off the store, or you get a canned cherry from the store. You put a fresh cherry inside. It's really tastes really good. Beautiful. Guys, I cut the one up later. Thank you again for watching. Hope you like this recipe, the fresh cherry. And guys, check out our video. We just put out a video there. Here we went to the farm in Lawrence Farm, Newburgh, New York. Check out that video, guys. We picked the fresh cherry over there. That's the cherry you get from the farm over there. Anytime you bake with fresh fruits, they always taste better. Thank you again for watching. See you back soon in the next adventure.